Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Contract Simplified. I'm Advocate Kritika here today with a new video all about contract disengagement and contract termination. Now let us understand what is contract disengagement, what is contract termination. Certainly to the outset, it haunts that how is contract disengagement is totally different from that of contract termination. Though the difference between them is very thin layered, in contractual world, these terminologies play a very pivotal role. It would not be wrong if I say that all contract disengagements are not contract termination, but all contract termination are contract disengagements. Disengagement is more gradual and informal, while termination is typically more definitive and may involve formal procedures or legal consideration. Let us understand what is disengagement in contract. It refers to a situation where one or more parties involved in the contract gradually reduce their involvement or commitment to the agreement. Disengagement in contracts can be informal and may not necessarily involve explicit contractual clauses. It often occurs gradually and may reflect changing needs or circumstances of the parties involved. Company may disengage from a long-term contract with a vendor by gradually reducing the volume of goods or service they purchase. Company subscribes to a SaaS platform for project management. Over time, as a company needs change, they gradually reduce the number of users accessing the platform and stop using certain features. Here, the company doesn't formally terminate the contract, but instead reduces its usage of the service over time until no longer relies on it for project management. On the other hand, termination of contract. It refers to the act of ending the contractual relationship between the parties, usually before the contract's agreed upon term expires, or even after the expiry of the term. Termination in contract is often a formal process governed by the terms of the contract itself or by relevant legal principles. It may involve specific procedures such as providing written notice or resolving disputes through arbitration or mediation. Contracts may include clauses that allow for termination under specific conditions, such as termination fee or notice period. A party may terminate contract due to other parties' failure or to fulfill their obligation, that is, breach of contract. A company terminates its agreement with the supplier due to repeated delivery delays or quality issues that impact its operation. Hence, the company invokes a termination clause in the contract, which may require providing a notice period, paying any outstanding fees, and transitioning to a new supplier if necessary. Now, I have given the link of an article wherein I have spoken exclusively about termination of contracts and its different kinds. In contract, both disengagement and termination represent ways in which parties can end their contractual obligation, but they differ in terms of their nature, timing, and the formality of the process involved. Overall, disengagement involves a gradual reduction in involvement or commitment to the contract, while termination involves a definitive end to the contractual relationship, often with formal process and legal consideration. And also, I could say that disengagement is a part of the contract termination, and also disengagement may eventually lead to the contract termination. If you have any question related to the contract disengagement and contract termination, or any other questions related to contract, please feel free to connect via WhatsApp in the provided number, that is 99458 93415, or even you can comment below the video. And also, please find the link for the free email subscription in the below form, and you can connect me over there and also get notified every post I post here. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative to you and you have understood about the process of contract disengagement and contract termination. Before moving to the next video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Contract Simplified.